Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Tuesday, November 10th. Get ready to go out and download my latest COVID-19 data. As a reminder, I use three sources: Johns Hopkins University, New York Times, and European Center for Disease Prevention and Control. So that's what we all should do. Let's start with the European data. Okay, make sure it's got the current date. Okay, let's come back over here. Okay, do a little data cleaning. Let's do this. Let's do a save as. Let's move it over here to data. Okay. Okay. I think what we want to do this. Put this over here. Remove this. And now we have it. So let's go and save this. Close this for the time being. Pop up a command prompt. Let's see some. Okay. So now let's come back over here. Let's take New York Times data here. Put over here. Documents. R. Okay. So let's do this. script. And this will take, of course, just one moment. Okay. Now let's do one more thing. Okay. Let's come back over here. Let's go down to the US. There's another script I need to run down here for actually a fourth set of data. I've actually split out the John Hopkins data into daily numbers, daily cases and deaths, rather than the cumulative number, which comes by default. So you come over here. All this script does, well, it does two things. First of all, it compares the three data sources, as you can see, but it also creates two more tables. It creates the John Hopkins daily cases table and the John Hopkins daily deaths table. So we could take a quick look here while we're here. This is we're still averaging 34,000 plus cases per day, and deaths continue to remain about 928. You can see the continuing climb in cases here, and this is European data set, John Hopkins data set, and the New York Times. You can see they pretty much tell the same story. And when you stack them on top of each other, you can see they're actually really close. Now we could take a look at deaths. This is deaths from the European data set. This is deaths from John Hopkins. You can see they're really pretty close. All right. Then you can see here from New York Times. Again, and here once again you see them stacked. European did have this huge spike in deaths back on 416. The trouble was none of the other data sets actually show that, which is sort of interesting. And this just takes and stacks the three different low-as functions on top of each other. So you can see a little bit of a difference right here, a slight difference up here, but not really enough to change the outcome. And this is just a 28-day exponential moving average stacked on top of the deaths, okay, for cases. Doesn't really tell anything new, just gives it another way of looking at data. So that takes care of the first part of the database for today. Thanks for stopping by, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to click that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me when I see your number show up on the screen. Also, if you find this report helpful, like and share the video, share it with your friends who may be struggling with the idea of COVID-19 right now. Let them see that the situation is getting better. Okay? Thanks so much for your time. We'll catch you on the next report.